Hello everyone. Democracy and Equality. Chapter 18. Tick the correct option. The right to vote is guaranteed to India who are citizen of India. Question number 2. The most successful scheme of government which increase enrollment of children in a school is गवर्नमेंट की वो कौन सी सक्सेसफुल स्कीम थी जिसके कारण स्कूलों में इनरोलमेंट्स बढ़ा तो स्कॉलरशिप एंड फाइनेंशियल हेल्प टू पुअर चिल्ड्रन. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not responsible for weakening the Indian society? तो education. According to the Primbles, who is constituting India into a socialist, secular, and democratic republic? The people of India. Question number 5. To ensure that all the children from the deprived section are able to fulfill their dreams, the government of India should not leave them to fight for themselves and become self defense. एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपकी सुविधा के लिए जो रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ है वो आपका ब्लैंक है. ठीक है. द डैश इज अ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट ले डाउन द फ्रेमवर्क, पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर एंड द पावर एंड ड्यूटीज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. द प्रिम्बल इज एन introductions to our constitution. The caste system creates a social division in a nation. Each political party is an organized group having its own policies and programs. Many provisions have been made to protect the right to equality. Now, true false. On 15th August 1947, India became a republic. False. India became a independence. Our constitution fame wanted to eradicate discrimination. True. People elected their representative for fixed term. True. The law does not give equal protection to all. False. Law give equal protection to all. The provision of reservation have not reached everyone. True. Then answer the following question. What is the main function of an opposition party? एक opposition party का main function क्या होता है? तो it keep a check of the activity of ruling party, protects the right of the people. माने रूलिंग पार्टीज की एक्टिविटी को चेक करते रहना और वो निरंकुश मत हो जाए लोगों के राइट के प्रति. वाई वॉज रिजर्वेशन प्रोवाइड सर्टन कास्ट इन इंडिया? रिजर्वेशन क्यों दिया गया सर्टन कास्ट को? तो रिजर्वेशन वॉज प्रोवाइड सर्टन कास्ट टू इंश्योर देयर प्रोपोर्शनेट शेयर in a walk of life so that they could live a life of respect and dignity. Question number 3. What is mean by secularism? Secularism means everyone is free to follow the religion of one's choice and the state does not have a religion to its own. Why is a various adult franchisee consider a courageous step to constituting steps of the Constituent Assembly? One man, one vote was the most courageous step of the Constitution frames, as most of the Indians were literate and poor at that time. This step ensured right to vote to everyone without any discrimination. Sorry. Then number 5. Name any two literacy programs started by Government of India. Operation Blackboard or Adult Education. Mention the main provision of the right to equality. The main provision are all citizens are equal before the law. Discrimination on the basis of religion है यहाँ पे, caste, gender or place of birth is prohibited. Everyone is entitled to equal opportunity in all walks of life. The law gives equal opportunities. Keep a check on there. How can the people keep a check on their representative? लोग अपने जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है उसको कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? द ऑफ इंडियन कास्ट देयर वोट एंड इलेक्टेड देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फॉर फिक्स पीरियड। भारतीय जो है अपने हमारे जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है वो एक फिक्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए रहते हैं। इफ़ द इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डू नॉट डू सो पीपल डू नॉट वोट फॉर दैम इन द नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन। अगर वो लोगों के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं तो नेक्स्ट टाइम नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन में आफ्टर 5 ईयर लोग उनको वोट नहीं करेंगे। पीपल ऑल्सो कीप अ क्लोज वॉच ऑन द एक्टिविटी ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव टू गार्ड देयर राइट एज गारंटेड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। Question number 3. List the important step taken by the Indian government for the benefits of weaker section of the society. इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हमारे सोसाइटी में जो वीकर सेक्शन है उनके लिए कौन कौन से स्टेप्स लेती है? द स्टेप्स टेकन बाय द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट फॉर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ वीकर सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी आर मैनी literacy programs have been started by the government. The students of weaker section are provided free education, free book, scholarship, etc. The student of weaker section are give reservation quotas in school as well as in government. List the factors that create inequalities and hamper the success of the democracy on the basis of religion, sex, color, caste, race, or place of birth, etc. Inequalities are the created which hamper the success of the democracy. Question number 5. Why have the benefit of reservation not reached everyone? Suggest 2 steps that can ensure development of all sections of the Indian society. The benefits of reservation have not reached everyone because of improper implementations of reservation policy. स्टेप 1, इसके लिए कौन कौन से स्टेप्स गवर्नमेंट उठा सकती है? गवर्नमेंट शुड मेक लॉ टू प्रोटेक्ट द राइट टू इक्वलिटी. Government should launch special programs and schemes for these that needed assistance, for example, SC, ST, and OBC. Thanks for watching. अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करेंगे.